Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best robot vacuums that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the SwitchBot Mini Robot Vacuum. The SwitchBot Mini Robot Vacuum K10 Plus is a fantastic piece of technology that pushes boundaries with its excellent mapping and navigation system. Its LiDAR navigation system meticulously maps your home, ensuring no space is left uncleaned. This smart robot vacuum doesn't just clean, it learns, adapts, and systematically cleans your home with maximum precision. With a 2,500 pascals suction power, it picks up even the tiniest dust particles, leaving your floors spotless with a 150-minute runtime. In terms of convenience, this vacuum is top-notch. It's compact, making it perfect for homes with limited storage space, but still delivers an impressive cleaning performance. Additionally, the K10 Plus stands out with its dual cleaning functions. It not only vacuums, but also has a self-empty base, resulting in a hands-off cleaning experience for up to 70 days. Its long runtime, 3-in-1 functionality, and compatibility with smart home systems make this robot vacuum our overall best. Moving on. At number 4, we have the Narwal Self-Cleaning Robot Vacuum. The Narwal Self-Cleaning Robot Vacuum doesn't just clean your floors, it takes floor maintenance to a new level. Best suited for homes with hard surface floors, this innovative device employs LiDAR navigation and carpet detection technology, ensuring a thorough cleaning on every run. Say goodbye to tedious manual scrubbing. This robot vacuum excels at deep floor cleaning, providing that pristine finish you've always desired. But the feature that truly sets it apart is its unique self-cleaning station. With this, the Narwal Mop Robot Vacuum automates the mopping process, freeing you from the task of constant maintenance. It intelligently detects pet hair and hard flooring, adapting its cleaning method for optimal results. From now on, you'll come home to spotless floors every day without lifting a finger. At number 3, we have the Lefant Robot Vacuum Cleaner. If you're struggling with stubborn pet hair, I feel you, and looking for a solution, the Lefant Robot Vacuum Cleaner M210 is here to help. This robot vacuum efficiently collects all pet hair thanks to its strong suction capabilities and tangle-free design. It cleans and navigates effortlessly around your home, picking up even the most minute strands of pet hair on hard floors. It's designed to require minimal prep work from you, just set it up, and it'll take care of the rest. Furthermore, this robot vacuum doesn't just clean, it transforms cleaning into an effortless, automated task. It glides silently across the floor, sweeping debris with a low noise level. It recharges itself automatically, so you'll never have to worry about running out of battery midway through cleaning. With Wi-Fi, app, and Alexa control, you can easily schedule cleanings and monitor its progress no matter where you are. At number 2, we have the Yeedi ECOVACS 3-in-1 Robot Vacuum. If you want to keep your home spotless without lifting a finger, then the Yeedi ECOVACS 3-in-1 Robot Vacuum could be your new best friend. Designed with a 3-in-1 cleaning system, this robot vacuum impresses with its effective cleaning and mopping feature. Whether you're dealing with dust, dirt, or stubborn pet hair, this little device sweeps, vacuums, and mops your floor, giving it a deep, thorough clean. Plus, its smart mapping capability allows it to navigate your home with precision, ensuring no spot is left unattended. This robot vacuum isn't just powerful, it's also quiet, making it perfect for households with pets or for people who prefer a peaceful home. Despite its strength and efficiency, it operates silently, letting you relax, work, or sleep undisturbed. The Yeedi is also budget-friendly, offering top cleaning performance without breaking the bank. And finally, at number 1, we have the Plus 360 S8 Robot Vacuum and Mop. The Plus 360 S8 robot vacuum and mop takes cleaning to a new level, offering detailed cleaning with a powerful suction. Whether you're dealing with carpet or pet hair, it's relentless in removing dust and debris. Instead of being merely powerful, it smartly navigates your home with its LiDAR navigation system, mapping out the most efficient path to clean every inch of your floor. This makes it an ideal choice for homes with multiple types of flooring. Its customizable smart mapping meticulously plans and executes, leaving your home spotless. Connecting with Alexa/Wi-Fi app adds convenience to efficacy, allowing you to command it without lifting a finger. And once it's done, it self-charges, preparing itself for the next cleaning mission. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.